Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post anonymously on Facebook group. Let's launch the Facebook app. Let's scroll through the groups. In this example over here, I pick up this group over here, Entrepreneurial Passion. So usually when you post something, everyone will see it. Usually you have to be accepted into the group to be able to publish anything or to comment anything. But there is a new feature. This is why you should go ahead, guys, and upgrade your Facebook app, because with this new feature you will simply be able to scroll down through the group after you already joined. As you can see, I'm part of the group already, right? So you want to scroll down and then you want to click over here, anonymous post. When you click on this one, what this will do, anonymous post published in this group do not include your name or profile photo. Admins of the group and moderators and Facebook systems can see your name and profile. So essentially, the people who are running the group and the moderators and the people who are part of the evaluation team and the guidance team of Facebook, they will know that you comment something, okay? But any other member in the group, any other Facebook account will not see who you are. They're not gonna see your profile. They're not gonna know who is texting this, who is messaging this. Details you include in anonymous posts could reveal your identity, okay? So that's why they advise you to protect your privacy. They turn off some of the features. So for example, you might hide your identity, by simply using this anonymous post, but don't share personal details, because this will reveal, identity. This is how you post anonymously on Facebook groups. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.